Hello, my name is Alvin Sulca, and this is my project called Sticky Love. Basically, it's a web application that will enable a Gemini API in order to use generative AI model to generate an image of everything that you could ask for. For the frontend, I use HTML, also CSS to make some basic styling, and I use web scraping to handle interactive elements such as asynchronous communication with backend. In the backend, I use Python and Flask uh, for the server side, and that's it. So basically, we go here, you input some text, for example, and it generated an sticker. So basically, you could ask anything. That's it. Thank you.